Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Resident Evil 4 on PSP. First, understand that this game was not officially released for the PSP, but with a few steps, you can enjoy a fan-made port or a converted version. You will need a PSP with custom firmware installed, as this allows your device to run unofficial software and game files. This method opens up a world of possibilities for your handheld console. To begin, ensure your PSP is running official firmware 6.61, which is often a prerequisite for custom firmware installation. Next, you will need to install a custom firmware like RE4. This process typically involves downloading the CFW files to your computer, then transferring them to specific folders on your PSP's memory stick via a USB connection. Follow a reliable guide carefully to complete the installation successfully. Once your PSP has custom firmware, the next step is to obtain the Resident Evil 4 game file. Look for fan-made ports or converted versions, specifically designed to run on a modified PSP. These files are usually in ISO or CSO format. After downloading, connect your PSP to your computer using a USB cable. Navigate to the ISO folder on your PSP's memory stick and simply drag and drop the game file into it. With the game file transferred, disconnect your PSP from your computer. On your PSP's XMB menu, scroll to the game section and select Memory Stick. You should now see Resident Evil 4 listed among your games. Select it and press the X button to launch. Enjoy playing this classic title on your portable device. Also, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.